The International Criminal Court is now in session.
After the confirmation of charges hearings that were held in September last year, now all eyes are on the International Criminal Court's pretrial chamber, which is expected to rule whether there was sufficient evidence to commit 6 Kenyans facing crimes against humanity allegations at the Hague-based court to trial. After weeks of speculation on the date of reckoning for the 6 suspects,
the chamber has not discussed with
the pretrial chamber's presiding judge, Ekaterina Tredafilova, sought to set the record straight Monday. In an email sent to all defense teams, Judge Tredafilova, through the chamber spokesman Gilbert Beatty, asserted that the ruling will be made on or before Monday next week.
On the overall, the issue of anxiety is going to be heightened now that it is definite by Monday. We will know whether the 6 suspects, some of them or all of them, will be set free, or perhaps they will go for confirmation, because it has very serious effects on the careers of all of them.
ICC spokesman Fadi El Abdallah declined to comment on the exact date of the chamber's ruling, a situation that further heightens anxiety for the suspects, their families and the general Kenyan population, who are all waiting for the ruling with bated breath.
The 23rd is the date on which this 60 days period expires. So it's the last day in this 60 days period, but the judges may very well issue their decisions before this date of the 23rd.
There are reasonable grounds to believe that...
Unlike the confirmation of charges hearings which were conducted in an open court, the pretrial chamber's ruling will be made differently. There will be no televised proceedings, and the ruling will be posted on the ICC official website.
Many people were looking forward to the ruling being made live in open court because of the high stakes and the interest that very many people have on this matter.
You will have adequate time and facilities.
Justice Tredafilova also confirmed that the suspects and their lawyers will not have to travel to the Hague-based court for the ruling.
There is no need, therefore, for either the suspects or even the defense teams to travel to the Hague, because there will be no ruling issued in open court.
Should the charges be confirmed against all or some of the suspects, the trial stage will kick in 2 or 3 months later. However, the suspects and the prosecution team could appeal the pretrial chamber's ruling.
So again, we cannot talk of a trial yet until that avenue of appeal is exhausted.
The 6 suspects face allegations of planning, financing and orchestrating the 2007-2008 post-election skirmishes. In the first case, Eldoret North MP William Ruto, his Tinderet counterpart Henry Kosgei and radio broadcaster Joshua Arap Sang faced 3 charges each of murder, forcible transfer of population and persecution. In the second case, Deputy Prime Minister Uhuru Kenyatta, Head of Civil Service Ambassador Francis Mudhaura and former Police Commissioner Hussein Ali face 5 charges each of murder, rape, forcible transfer of population, persecution and other inhumane acts, such as forcible circumcision of perceived ODM members in Naivasha and Nakuru. Francis Gashuri, Citizen Live at 9.